What's up, Jerry gang? If you're new, go ahead and hit that subscribe button. If you're old, what's up? Hey fam, how you been? What's poppin'? Yeah, dab. Everybody go ahead and smash that like button for me and turn on your post notifications. Without further ado, let's get into this video.
Hey, fuck all the we gon' fuck up this cash. I hopped out my feelings and I hopped in my bag. Hopped in the form, you hopped in the cab. Still living with your mama, you ain't hopped off your ass. Hey.
Alright guys, let me throw some lip glossy gloves on real quick. Real quick. You're about to comment like, why'd you put some lip gloss on when you already got some on your lips? But I don't know. So I actually just tried to film this video, but my screen recording kept messing up, so therefore I'm gonna try this again. We're gonna give it another try because I actually filmed some really good content, but I don't feel happy with just putting the voices. Like y'all had to see it, so I'm gonna try it again. So therefore I'm getting on Monkey app again for a second time. I don't really have a general plan for what I'm gonna be doing on here. I may troll people, I may just, you know, play around on the app, try to figure the app out more. So if you guys have any ideas of what I should do next time on Monkey, comment down below and let me know. I'm down for any suggestions and I'll probably do them all because I have nothing better to do, honestly. So yeah, but we're gonna hope my screen recording doesn't trip out on me this time and actually wants to try to work for me. You feel me? Like, I don't think I did anything to my screen recording for it to be not working. So I'm gonna scoot over because what is it called? The screen recordings will be going right here. So I'm gonna scoot up. Joshua. Hello.
Hey, what's up?
What's up?
I got a question. You know who Big Sean is, don't you?
Mm-hmm.
Alright, so it's a song here, one more time real quick. It's a song on the radio that I was listening to. I only heard one part of it, but it was kind of in the middle, and I had got out the car. It went and we already wasted too much time, but we're since I was only thing that was mine. You know the name of it?
No.
That's the only part I heard, and then I got out the car, and by the time I got back in, that shit was over.
No, I don't know the name. Sorry.
Damn, okay. I looked up the lyrics, I tried everything, nothing works.
Yeah, I don't know. I don't even think I've heard that song.
Damn. You don't listen to Big Sean?
I do, but not like that.
Not like that. You listen to Drake, don't you?
Yeah.
Yeah, light skinned and that. Be too emotional in his shit.
Not all the time. Sometimes.
Yeah, well, I need that one dance.
Well, bye, buddy. Isabella. Alrighty then. I think my screen recording is working now, guys. So y'all should be able to see everything now, for real. Tavion. I'm about to get skipped. Yep. Emmanuel.
I see, Cardi B, man. The next Cardi B, like.
Ugly. You look like ugly ass head ass. The fuck? Head ass. Demonte V.
Wow.
What?
Ooh, pretty happy. Have more time. Where you from?
The Bay area.
So you all in my camera and shit. Niggas be all in my camera. You wanna see something look good or something? That man's a friend.
Where are you from?
Well, she got her nails done. Oh, I'm from Shreveport, Louisiana. How old you at?
How old
you at?
20.
Like, why you on the L?
Because I'm making a YouTube video.
Oh, yeah, put me on there. I'm a rapper. Shout me out.
Shout yourself out. Go ahead.
Huh?
Shout yourself out. Go ahead.
Yeah, Instagram on your phone. Go to the phone. Alright, I'm gonna rap something. Alright, you ready? Hold on. You should go for it. If I sound good, you should go for it with my YouTube channel.
Okay.
Alright. I'm finna let you hear my song, alright?
Alright.
Man, son, kids just go there at home, son. You're all in my camera. She don't wanna look at you, son. She's 20. You gonna say something when I FaceTime to my nigga. Okay. It's bird. Hold on, there you go. Just give me a second, it's loading this nigga. Yeah, it's like... You like it or you don't?
Yeah, it's cool.
You should go subscribe me, NFL Young Dog. Look it up on Instagram. I should be the first one to say, it's NFL Young Dog, baby girl.
Okay.
Baby.
Alright. Hello. That was a nice fan. My screen recorder is not even saving, so monkey nor my screen recording is on my side today. So I'm just gonna go ahead and end this video right here. If you guys have any suggestions on what I should do my next monkey video, if I should ask them anything, you know what, I'm not even gonna give y'all anything I'm thinking of because I really don't have nothing on my mind. But if you guys have anything on your mind that you want to give me ideas for to do on monkey next time, comment below and let me know. I'll definitely do them. It's pretty fun getting on monkey, honestly, truly, so I don't mind doing them. I'm sorry that most of my screen recordings wasn't recording. Like, it's so annoying because I have really good footage earlier and none of it was recording, so we're just gonna roll with the punches and go with what we got this video, and next video is just gonna be better and bigger and better, period. So I'm sorry if this video is short or anything of that nature, or was maybe boring. I don't know, we're gonna see when I edit it because I don't even know, but I apologize ahead of time. But I love you, Jerry Gang. If you made it to the end of this video, comment down below a monkey emoji or the word monkey, just because it's a monkey video and I'm just gonna keep this going for these videos. So just comment down below a monkey emoji or the word monkey. I love you, Jerry Gang, and I will see you guys in my next video. Thank you so much for tuning in. Thank you for everybody that tunes in every video. I rock with y'all, for real. Thank y'all. But yeah, if you're new here, welcome. Hit that subscribe button. I hope this video, you know, reached your expectations or exceeded them, hopefully. If not, you know, check out a few other videos and make your decision. But I'm fun, this channel is fun, and yeah. But without further ado, let me leave you on a quick positive note. Beat your face, not people. Bye.
Been a long time, long grind, time to shine, gotta get rich. Fuck these niggas, fuck you bitches, ain't got time for y'all bullshit. I want a big bag, big house.